Hi my lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bronze Beauty Diaries, and this time I'm again back with another product empties video. This is going to be June month's product empties video, and I have managed to finish out these many products. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है as it used to be before, like good 30 minutes, 28 minutes video. Nowadays I've realized my product empties are kind of getting lesser and lesser, like the amount of products are getting like lesser and lesser, probably because I'm also getting influenced and buying products left and right with every new launches. I also need to try out a lot of products just to review it for you guys. In that process, probably I'm starting to hoard. I hate that part. I absolutely don't like it. Still, I am trying to target, like I always target my products, like I have to finish these products with stipulated amount of time. I'm doing so. इतना ज़्यादा मुझे खुद मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है because I kind of get anxious when I see a lot of products lying around in my vanity or at my home, for that matter, and it just kind of gives you the feeling that you're wasting your hard-earned money, which is not a good feeling. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you guys are notified every time I upload a video. I upload long format video every Wednesday between 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, and short format content हफ्ते में 3 मिल जाता है देखने को. So without further ado, let's quickly get started. So the first product that I can see is this one from L'Oreal. This is the Hyaluronic Moisture 72-hour moisture filling shampoo. This hyaluronic range is an absolute favorite of mine. Like, I really love the conditioner as well, and I have used their leave-in cream as well, which I also enjoyed it. Shampoo is also my absolute love because it lathers so beautifully, and you really require a very little amount. I usually like to shampoo it twice, just to get rid of all the gunk and feel fresh. But ये shampoo के साथ ऐसा ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ता. I usually go ahead with one time usage only, and it lathers so beautifully and cleans my scalp so nicely. Plus, it does not leave my hair feeling dry and frizzy. So chemically treated people के लिए this is an absolute gem, and it's very affordable as well. This is 650 ml and the MRP is 929, but you can get it like under 700 or 650 on sales. Like, mostly I picked this up from Amazon only, and you guys can see I've finished this big bottle. That says a lot. I really love the shampoo, and I probably will repurchase it again for sure because I just got a B Blanca shampoo. I want to finish that one before I move on to this or any other shampoo. Then moving on, I finished another shampoo. This one is the Plum Coconut Milk Peptide Strength and Shine shampoo. You guys know this is my oldie but goodie. This is my absolute favorite gem. I keep repurchasing it. I think this one I got it in PR if I'm not wrong. I've ran out of so many bottles of this shampoo, and this is also something that I'm definitely going to repurchase. Again, this makes my hair super soft, and it does not weigh my hair down. That's the biggest thing. It does not make you extra oily also. So I think all hair type can use it, especially chemically treated frizzy hair will love this entire range. I'll be picking this up again when I have to like buy a lot of stuff from Plum. That's when I go to their app and pick the products out. Then you kind of end up getting a lot of freebies and good offers as well. So again, a big thumbs up and an absolute repurchase. Then I finished this Garnier Micellar Water. This one is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Oil Water. This one is the yellow one, and I keep repurchasing them. This is a 400 ml. Last good two months or so. Earlier it used to last more, but now that I'm doing content creation as well side by side, तो ये दो ढाई महीना चलता है. I've already repurchased and I've already started using it. I really like it. It's a budget friendly, good cleansing oil micellar water. Like, if you have to remove waterproof mascara as well, this does the job nicely. Does not break out and does not clog your pores as well. So all skin types can use this, and an absolute repurchase as well. I finished one moisturizer. This one is the Pilgrim 5 Ceramide Barrier Repair Moisturizer. It has some good ingredients like niacinamide, Korean cica, and I think rice water as well. This was something that was sent to me in PR, and I absolutely finished it. This is a very nice moisturizer for anyone who is having combination and sensitive skin type, or oily sensitive skin type. I wouldn't recommend this for a dry skin person. However, they have said it's for dry combination sensitive skin. I agree with combination sensitive skin, but dry skin people के लिए ये थोड़ा कम पड़ेगा because I have used this even in summer and even in winter, और मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा काम किया. Summer में of course it's little too heavy, but winters mein and like Jan, Feb, March ke month mein I have used this, and you guys can see like even in rainy season I picked this up and I finished it. It has a very nice creamy texture, but it's very lightweight. I don't think I have anything left. Yeah, I got a little bit of it. It has a very nice creamy texture, but mends into the skin. And the best thing is it does not have fragrance. It does not look oily or sweaty. And under the makeup, it works so beautifully. It has very good barrier repairing ingredients, a lot of ceramides and cica to calm your skin. So if you guys are looking for a very budget friendly moisturizer, just moisturizes your skin, and not have any other targets like to act on like acne or on your dark spots or any other concern, you should definitely check this one out. Sometimes people ask me in the comment section, whenever I kind of talk about any moisturizer or any skincare product, that they keep asking me whether it's gonna work on my acne, etc. Sometimes you don't require products which always like you do not have to use products which always targets your acne or your skin concern, because that means you are going to constantly use active, and that means it's just going to disrupt your barrier. You have to space out your actives and your skincare routine. So do not use active every day, and use a simple moisturizer which does not have any active. You need to have one moisturizer and a sunscreen which does not have any active, so that you can use those moisturizers on your non-active skincare day. If that makes sense. Okay, then I probably wouldn't repurchase that, because I have found the Formula RX Battery Repair Moisturizer and I really like that one, so I probably wouldn't repurchase. But if I had not found that one, I would definitely go and repurchase. I really like that, and in on a budget, आपको बहुत सस्ता मिल जाएगा. Definitely check that one out. Then I finished one hand cream. This one is from Zudio. Drip check hand cream, and this is the variant aqua. It's just for 79 rupees and it is 30-gram product. I wouldn't repurchase. I also have one more Julia hand cream, but I really wouldn't repurchase because it was not that moisturizing for my hands, and it was creamy, but then it absolutely gets absorbed and it did not really make me feel hydrated or moisturized, so I'm not gonna repurchase this one. Then I finished my good oldie Clinique Moisture Surge. This is a 100-hour auto replenishing hydrator, etc, etc. So this is 30 ml variant, if I'm not wrong. There's this one as well. This is something that I'm gonna keep repurchasing. Like I said, whenever my skin starts to behave irritated, or I feel my skin is starting to trouble me, this is the moisturizer I keep going back to. And within like 2 days of usage, my skin goes back to normal, and again I can start using active. So this is a very good moisturizer. Again, this is not going to target any of your concerns, but this is just a moisturizer which is so lightweight, gel consistency, and is perfect for summer season or any season for that matter. And oily skin type and combination skin type will to enjoy this moisturizer throughout the year. Dry skin के लिए winter में शायद थोड़ा ये कम पड़ेगा, but this is an absolute repurchase. I don't know how many tubs of this moisturizer I've gone, like I've finished. Then I have two razors, you guys. This one is the Venus. I really finish out these products even every month, but this month I thought, okay, why not save the cartons? So this one is the Venus Smooth Sensitive. This is the OG one, and this is the Comfort Glide Skin Cushion Protection. So the difference between these two is this is like a packed with soap in it. Like if you see, the entire bar is filled with soap, so you actually don't need a soap or a shower gel to shave your hands, if that makes sense. Like you just need water and you can save it. It's perfect for traveling. This one is something that I keep repurchasing. I really don't like this one. I usually buy this when this is out of stock in Zepto or something like that. Both of the razors are really good, like when it comes to the quality. It does not give you any burns or razor cuts or anything of that sort, or strawberry skin for that matter. But I really like this one. Like when it comes to longevity, I don't like this one because this really gets messy. I usually use my razors for 2 weeks, but this you cannot use it like for more than 2 times. The more you use, the soap kind of gets what do you call, soap udhar se hat jata hai, and the entire thing you left out with is only blade. You can enjoy yourself. So I really don't like it. Plus, it gets super messy in the washroom. Like when it comes in contact with the water, the soap just starts to melt, and I really don't like it. I really like this one. I'm gonna repurchase this one. Okay, I finished this one. This is a 2% salicylic acid face serum. This is from Dermaco. This is my absolute favorite one, and the minimalist 2% salicylic acid is my absolute favorite. It really works, you guys. This is a 499 MRP and coupon code वगैरह लगा के आपको बहुत सस्ते में मिल जाए. This actually works. Like oily skin के लिए there's no, I feel there's no better active than salicylic acid, especially for acne skin people. And this has always worked for me. Like whenever I am going through acne, I pull out this and I'm like good to go. Even if when I'm not having acne, I make sure to use this at least couple of times in a week. ये खत्म हो गया. अभी मेरे पास ना 2-3 salicylic acid serum है, which I'm not proud of. Probably I'll talk about that in one of my videos later. But I really want to finish that one before I actually repurchase this one or the minimalist one. I really hope that I'm able to finish those 2-3 salicylic acid serum that I have. I really don't like it, but nevertheless this one is an absolute hit. मैं definitely repurchase करने वाली हूँ. Then I have another product from Dermaco. This is the, okay, I don't know what this is, but this is a lip balm in that capsule kind of a packaging. I think this one is a ceramide complex. There are 3 variants: the kojic acid, ceramide complex, and vitamin C. Vitamin C मैंने mom को दिया है. Kojic acid मैंने मेरे friend को दिया, and this one is a ceramide. Kojic acid मैंने पहले भी use किया था. I had purchased that when it got released, but this one I got it in a PR. ये पूरा खत्म हो गया है guys, can see कुछ बचा नहीं है. It's a very nice waxy lip balm, but if you're looking for something that is like that gives a glossy finish, this one is not. This one is very balmy, but it does the job. Maybe not during extreme winters, but it really is a nice lip balm. Even under lipstick, it works pretty good. आज मैंने यही wear करा था क्योंकि थोड़ा सा बचा था तो मैंने उसको scrape करके I wore this and I'm finishing. So this one is also from Dermaco. Then what do we have? One lip balm again. This one is from Juicy Chemistry. This is the Blood Orange and Rosehip Organic Lip Balm, and I finished this one as well. This was a repurchase. This is the second time I finished this lip balm. पूरा खत्म किया, but I'm not gonna repurchase. Oh my god, there are so many lip balms in the market right now. So मैं ये वापस नहीं खरीदने वाली हूँ. And plus it has an annoying orange citrusy smell जो मुझे पसंद नहीं है क्योंकि मुझे oranges वैसे भी पसंद नहीं है. मतलब खाने को, not fragrance में. It's a very good lip mask. Like it's like a treatment. रात को आप इसको लगा के सो सकते हो. सुबह आपका lips जो है वो ट्रीट हो जाएगा. jar is not aesthetic और थोड़ा boring है, थोड़ा pricey भी है, quantity कम है. I'm not going to repurchase, but it's a good lip balm, huh? Then I finished this eye glitter, big glitter energy from Blur. You guys can see इसको मैंने खत्म करा है. This one was the eyeshadow glitter, but you guys know I have always used this as my liquid highlighter. This worked so beautifully. Love the texture. So this one was so good. It was wet and without chunky shimmer particles, और highlighter की तरह बहुत खूबसूरत काम किया इसने. तो उसको मैंने खत्म किया है. This shade in particular did not look good on my eyes, but as a highlighter it was a bomb. Degree.com, but I'm not going to repurchase because I have a lot of highlighter going on. And we have one mascara. This one is from Swiss Beauty. This is the Craze Duo mascara. This one side is for length, one side is for volume. This is again a second or third time that I'm trying out this mascara. Love this mascara, but again I'm not going to repurchase because there are a lot of other mascaras which I really want to try. Plus the packaging kind of always gives on me. Like last time भी मेरा यही था, फिर भी मैंने जाके इसको वापस खरीदा. Can you guys see? इसका packaging always, like every time I'm opening this is what happens. So थोड़ा irritate हो जाती हूँ मैं इसको use करते करते. Otherwise it does give a beautiful volume, it does give a beautiful length, and it's not waterproof. Like that's the biggest thing. I hate waterproof mascara. Then I have one lipstick. This one is the Stays 929 lipstick. This is in the shade Caramel Rose. I have finished this completely because I really targeted to finish this, but you guys know I don't like the formula, I don't like the packaging. Can you guys see how messy the packaging is? The bullet packaging was also so messy and I regret buying this. ये मेरे regret buying में भी आपको feature करा था, but the shade was beautiful paired with a lip liner. ये मेरे को daily lip combo बन गया था मेरा work के लिए. So that's the reason I finished this, but I'm not going to repurchase, and actually I wouldn't recommend this also. It's not long lasting and the packaging is very bad. The bullet separates the two, both the shades, they separate. Like it's one of those innovative triangle kind of a lipstick, you know, where they had like two shades on either of the side, and when you mix them it kind of becomes a third shade. But the bullet kind of, which is like this, it kind of separates, and the entire bullet kind of breaks, and it's so messy. Plus that triangle formula is not really good to apply. Yeah, and the lipstick itself is not long lasting, so I wouldn't recommend, but I finished it. Then I have two. Okay, this one is from Miniso. This is a deep hydrating mask. This is in the variant cucumber. So these are just under eye patches. I think they had 3 pairs and I used them. It was pretty cooling because it had cucumber. I love the cucumber soothing aroma as well. And they gave instant hydration. That's all. You know, these products is not gonna give you long term effect, but yeah, if you want to pamper yourself, you can check them out. I probably will pick up more when I go there. And these are this salicylic acid acne pimple patch. So if you guys remember, or if you guys have seen my haul, I picked up 3 pimple patches from Miniso. And this blue one is a salicylic acid one. Oh, this worked so beautifully. I am onto my green one and pink one. I really am not a fan of the pink one. Salicylic acid one worked out so nicely. This is just like a hydrocolloid patches, and these are 36 patches for 120 rupees. I think it's quite a steal. Because Urban Yoga का भी ना मेरे को 72 patches पड़ता है for 280 rupees or so. So yeah, definitely you can check this one out. This is like as good as your regular hydrocolloid patches, but under the budget. Sorry. So I really liked it. When I go there, probably I'll pick this one up again. I did finish another foot cream. I'll give you link, but this is something that I get from my pedicure when I get it done from salon. So they kind of give the remaining out. So उन्होंने दिया था, काफी अच्छा foot cream था. That's that. I don't know why I saved that, but that's all for today's video, guys. Itna hi products are. I know this is not a lot, but still, like, I finished off so many products, and that gives me satisfaction and a motivation to go and buy a new product. So that's how I do. I keep targeting. Like, for example, this is something that I targeted and finished it. So similarly, I'm targeting some other lipstick as well. Hope you guys like the idea how I finish my products. I was a little busy both in professional and my personal upfront, so I think I'm not being regular enough, and I apologize for that. बीच में बहुत सारे मेरे को negative comments और harsh comments आ रहे थे, which I kind of also demotivated me. मुझे थोड़ा सा बुरा लगने लगा था. There are a couple of perfume videos that I've uploaded short format, and people are coming back to me saying that that video is sponsored and it's a fake review. Guys, I have not received any perfume in PR, or वो सारे perfumes I really wanted to try out for myself, and I really wanted to tell you guys the dupe of luxury perfumes, that was the whole point. And I really loved those perfumes. Like the perfumes that I showed you that I loved it, and I you wouldn't even believe, I just recently went to Rameshwaram and Madurai. I literally carried those perfume. See, if I didn't like it, I wouldn't be using those perfume, and you would probably see in most of my get ready with me, the perfumes that I showed you is what I'm using. So मुझे थोड़ा ना बहुत बुरा लगा, ऐसा मुझे थोड़ा सा फीलिंग आने लगा था, that was not giving me motivation to shoot and make content. But yeah, things happen, life goes on. So yeah, here again I am with my product empties video. So hopefully I'll come up with other content in near future. And yeah, I think I'm gonna take off. I shall see you in the next video. Bye.